Hello friends, welcome to Education Alving. Let's fly with success. Today is 1st September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs along with the important issue also. In this session, you can got the very most important current affairs of 1st September 2020. Those who first visit Education Alving, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. हम लोग फर्स्ट आज बात करेंगे एक इशू के बारे में जो कि गवर्नमेंट का ही है, पर अभी सभी को बोलना ये अनिवार्य हो गया है। देखिए, आप लोग को पता ही है कि गवर्नमेंट का कैसे जॉब देने में, एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट कराने में कैसे इरेगुलरिटीज़ मेंटेन कर रहा है। जो नोटिफिकेशन 2017 में निकला था, अभी तक उसका एग्ज़ाम ही नहीं हुआ है। जैसे कि तो ट्विटर में एक कैंपेन चलाया जा रहा है कि हैशटैग के नाम के आप लोग यूज कर सकते हैं, हैशटैग नो जॉब नो वोट, स्पीक अप फॉर एसएससी रेलवे स्टूडेंट्स, हैशटैग एसएससी डिक्लेयर सीजीएल रिजल्ट। एंड ये भी आपको एक ऐड कर देना है एसएससी के, अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो या एसएससी सीजीएल या रेलवे के आप अगर तैयारी कर रहे हो तो आप ये यूज कर लेना कि स्पीक अप फॉर टीचर ऑल्सो। एंड जो टीईटी एग्जाम के लिए भी प्रिपेयर हो रहे हैं वो भी एसएससी का एक हैशटैग यूज कर लेना। बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर एक पैसिवली अगर प्रेशराइज नहीं होगा तो गवर्नमेंट इसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं निकाल पाएगा और नहीं निकालेगा। अगर वोट चाहिए तो वो लोग बहुत आगे आकर वोट कंडक्ट तीन महीने में हो जाता है, पर कोई एग्ज़ाम की बात हो तो और रिक्रूटमेंट की बात हो, जॉब देने की बात हो तो गवर्नमेंट कुछ वैसे स्टेप नहीं लेता है। ट्विटर में आज एक ट्रेंडिंग चलेगा, ये सुबह 11 बजे से शायद, और 2-3 दिन तक शायद चलेगा, तो आप लोग इसको भी ज्वाइन करके सपोर्ट कीजिएगा। ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा सेशन। दिस वाज आवर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन। आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज व्हेन नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड? 28 अगस्त, 29 अगस्त, 30 अगस्त, 25 August. The correct answer here is 29 August. Option B is correct here. On 29 August, National Sports Day is observed. On the birth anniversary of the hockey legend Major Dhyanchand, National Sports Day is observed. Okay. Our second question was Shinzo Abe resigned from the Prime Minister of which country? Australia, Zimbabwe, Japan, Bangladesh. The correct answer here is option C, Japan. Shinzo Abe, the longest serving Prime Minister of the Japan, has resigned on 28 August because of the poor health condition. Due to the poor health condition of the Shinzo Abe, he recently resigned from the Prime Minister of the Japan. Okay, and remember one thing, that he is the longest serving Prime Minister of Japan. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, former President Pranab Mukherjee recently passed away. He was conferred with Bharat Ratna in which year? 2012, 2014, 2017, 2019. The correct answer here is option D, 2019. On 2019, the former President of Pranab Mukherjee got the Bharat Ratna award and he recently passed away. Okay, you can see the image of ex-president of India, Pranab Mukherjee. He passed away at the age of 84. He was the president between 2012 to 2017 and he was awarded with Bharat Ratna in 2019. He is the fifth president to receive the Bharat Ratna award. Okay, next question. India and which country jointly won 5 online chess Olympiad? Russia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Japan. The correct answer here is Russia. Option A is correct here. India and Russia have become the jointly winner of the 5 online chess Olympiad. Okay, you can see the Indian team here, Indian team of the chess here. Okay, 163 countries took part in the online tournament. 163 countries took part in the online tournament here. Okay, next question. The first ever seaplane services will be started in which state? Goa, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer here is Gujarat. Option B is correct here. Gujarat is the correct answer here. The first ever seaplane services in Gujarat will be started from 31st October. Okay, and the seaplane service will be seamless and affordable air connectivity from Sabarmati River from Ahmedabad to Statue of Unity, Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity also situated in Gujarat. Okay, and it is the first ever seaplane service started in Gujarat. Okay, the capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which country has launched a platform Agriota e-marketplace? UAE, Sri Lanka, Japan, Nepal. The correct answer here is UAE, United Arab Emirates. UAE DMCC Dubai Multi Commodity Center has rolled out a trading platform Agriota e-marketplace. Okay. Capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital, and dirham is the currency of UAE. Okay. Next question. Who has issued Unlock 4.0 guidelines? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Health. The correct answer here is Ministry of Home Affairs. Option B is correct here. Ministry of Home Affairs recently issued the Unlock 4.0 guideline, and it is going to be applied from today, September 1. Okay. Who is the Home Minister of India now? Amit Shah. Amit Shah is the Home Minister of Home Minister of India now. Okay. Dr. S. Padmavati has passed away. She was a famous politician, cardiologist, journalist, poet. The correct answer here is cardiologist. Option B is correct here. Dr. S. Padmavati, the India's first female cardiologist. Okay, remember that Dr. S. Padmavati is the India's first cardiologist who has died at the age of 103 due to COVID-19. Okay, and you can see the image of Dr. S. Padmavati here. And she was popularly known as godmother of cardiology. Godmother of cardiology. So, in obituaries point of view, this question is very much important. Dr. S. Padmavati is popularly known as godmother of cardiology. Who has released 2 coffee table books? Manoj Sinha, Girish Chandra Murmu, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah. The correct answer here is Manoj Sinha. Option A is correct here. The Lieutenant Governor of the Jammu and Kashmir has released the 2 coffee table books. One is for Labor and Employment Department, and another for Jammu and Kashmir Entrepreneurship Development. Okay, Manoj Sinha is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, previously Girish Chandra Murmu is the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, but he resigned, and Manoj Sinha is recently the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, and Girish Chandra Murmu is now CAG of India, Comptroller Auditor General of India. Okay. Next question. Which state government withdraw the e-pass system in Unlock 4.0? Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Bihar. The correct answer here is Tamil Nadu. Option C is correct here. Tamil Nadu government withdraw the e-pass system for travel within the state. Okay. Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister is E.K. Palaniswamy, and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has won the opening stage of the Tour de France, a bicycle race? Alexander Kristoff, Lewis Hamilton, Jeff Winner. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Alexander Kristoff. Option A is correct here. Alexander Kristoff won the opening stage of Tour de France, a bicycle race. Okay, the annual multiple stage bicycle race, and it is held since 1903, and this bicycle race is only cancelled only 2 times in the history, in the 2 World War, in First World War and in Second World War. But Tour de France is a bicycle race. Okay, and Alexander Kristoff won this. Next question. Who is going to be designated new Prime Minister of Lebanon? Hassan Diab, Mustafa Adib, Alexander Lukashenko. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Mustafa Adib. Option B is correct here. Mustafa Adib to be designated the new Prime Minister of Lebanon. Okay, the government led by the Hassan Diab. Hassan Diab is the former Prime Minister of the Lebanon, and his government quit in August 2020 due to the explosion in the various explosion in the capital Beirut. In Beirut, a very massive explosion takes place. So Hassan Diab, the government, quit, and recently Mustafa Adif is going to be the Prime Minister of Lebanon. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is: which state will be set up India's first international women's trade center? Our second question is: who has launched a mobile app named Pensioner Corner? Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby, a regular practice is done by you. And I mentioned that please join the Twitter campaign today for your rights and for your job. If there is no vacancy, how can you got the job? And there is no value of the preparation very hardly, because if there is no notification, if there is no job, or if there is no recruitment, then we will suffer. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.